Hey there, this is Sean over at OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over a quick video showing you all 3 steps you can take to convert more new patients into your practice by increasing traffic to your website. Now let's take a look at a couple stats real quick. Now there's an old saying in our industry, the best place to hide a dead body is on the page 2 of Google search results. Now that's because there's billions of searches every day, but hardly anybody makes it past page 1. Specifically looking at our area and in our industry, almost 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas on Google. About 90% of searches do not make it past page 1. If we go over to Google, we type in dentist in Midland, Texas. These are our first page search results. So 2,000 monthly searches all coming to this first page. We're not seeing y'all here on the first page anywhere. So what we want to do is show you 3 ways that you can beat your competitors and find yourself here on the first page of Google where all those searches are coming to. 3 things that you can do to get to page 1 on Google. That's content, backlinks, and citations. So for content, you're going to want 1,500 words of keyword-dense content on your home page. So we went over here to your home page. We took all of the words off of it. We copied them. We put them into this word counter, and we came up with 333 words. So Google wants to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-dense content. The keywords that you're going to be looking to put in there are dental, dentistry, Midland, Texas. If you're looking to target some of the surrounding areas, Odessa, and all these keywords, you can look up a list of keywords that would be beneficial for you to put into your content on your homepage. So number 2 is going to be backlinks. Backlinks are links that are on other sites that point back to your site. So your URL, coulondental.com, on other people's websites, and then Google sees these as votes, voting up the authority and the trustworthiness of your site. So that way it can rank it higher on Google's first page. Now if we go over to this tool that we use, Majestic, we put in your URL, we can actually see exactly what backlinks are pointing to your site. It's showing 8 results. So these are the URLs pointing back to your website. Now some of these are no follow backlinks and some of these are deleted, so not all of them are actually giving you trust flow back to your site. But let's say if all of these were working, 8 backlinks. If we look at some of your competitors, we can see that they have 17, 23, 40 backlinks. So we're going to want y'all to have at least the same amount, if not more, backlinks pointed back to your site. So that way Google sees you as a more trustworthy and more authoritative site than your competitors. And the third and final thing that you can be doing right now to rank higher on Google is citations. Now citations are your exact business name, address, and phone number posted in business directories online. And a list of these business directories online, if you just Google something like local citation sites for the US, you can find all these lists of hundreds of businesses, online businesses and directories that you can post your business citation, which is your name, address, and phone number on for free. So things like Facebook, Google, Yelp, Bing, Yellow Pages, MapQuest, Foursquare, and almost all of these are free. So the more citations that you have of your business information online, the more Google sees you as a legitimate, authoritative business. So it's going to see that and it's going to rank you higher than your competitors. So yep, those are the 3 things. Number 1, content, 1,500 words of keyword dense content on your homepage. Number 2, backlinks, as many links from other sites pointing back to your site. And number 3, citations. As many times as you can cite your business on local directories online, the better your offer going to be. Those 3 things will help you reach page 1 of Google, and that's really where you want to be. With 2,000 monthly searches for dentists in Midland, Texas, that's a lot of traffic going to all of your competitors. So anyways, I don't want to take up any more of your time. I'd love to set up a time that we could chat about your practice, maybe some ways we could help you all reach some new patients. My number is 432-287-7788. Again, this is Sean with OEI Digital. Thanks a lot.